Goldblatt's drywall joint knives allow for perfect feathering and finishing on any drywall project. The steel blades are designed to leave your drywall with a smooth, flat appearance. With a long tang and premium hollow grind, these blades offer proper flexibility and feel. Available in blade sizes ranging from 1 1/2 inch up to 6 inch, Goldblatt's joint knives are made with either spring steel or stainless steel and are equipped with either soft rubber grips or nylon handles. Apply mud to your joints quickly and easily, and get that professional look every time. No streaks and no grain, just flush, even joints that will make any drywall project feel like a piece of cake. Thanks for stopping by the Goldblatt Workshop. Be sure to tag Goldblatt on social media. We'd love to see your next project.